and Tallapoosa County until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Martin Dam to near Emerald Mountain, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Auburn, Tuskegee, Tallahassee, Notisolga, Franklin, Waverly, Martin Dam, Liberty City, Reese Airport, Auburn University, Tallapoosa City, Tuskegee National Forest, Southern Lake Martin, Tallapoosa, EAS Dam, I-85 Rest Area, Upper Creek, Ware, Roxana, and Reeltown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southeastern and east central Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday for the following counties: Tallapoosa, Alabama,